Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Financial Podcast. I'm your host, Olivia, and today we're diving into a critical issue that highlights the interconnectedness of our global economy and the persistent vulnerabilities within vital supply chains. The recent cyber attack on United Natural Foods, or UNFI. This incident serves as a stark reminder of how digital threats can rapidly translate into tangible disruptions, impacting everything from stock market performance to the availability of everyday groceries on store shelves, even as the nation navigates its economic course under President Donald Trump's administration. United Natural Foods is not just any company. It's North America's largest publicly traded wholesale distributor, a truly gargantuan operation based out of Rhode Island. They are the backbone for countless retailers, operating 53 distribution centers and meticulously delivering fresh and frozen products to over 30,000 locations across both the United States and Canada. This extensive network includes major supermarket chains, rapidly expanding e-commerce providers, beloved natural products superstores, independent local retailers, and a wide array of food service customers. It's a logistical marvel, especially considering they reported a massive $31 billion in annual revenues in August 2024, manage relationships with more than 11,000 suppliers, and employ over 28,000 people. Crucially, UNFI also stands as the primary distributor for Amazon's Whole Foods market, a significant partnership that was just extended last year through May 2032. The alarm bells first rang on Thursday, June 5th, when UNFI discovered what they termed unauthorized activity within their information technology systems. In response, they were compelled to proactively take certain systems offline to contain the breach. This decisive, though disruptive action inevitably led to a temporary disruption in their ability to fulfill and distribute customer orders. The incident has and is expected to continue to cause temporary disruptions to the company's business operations. The immediate fallout was swift and visible. Reports quickly surfaced on social media from Thursday onwards, with many UNFI employees sharing that their shifts were being canceled, and a Reddit user even posted a screenshot from a Whole Foods subreddit showing a worker unable to scan in received goods since Sunday. The sentiment among employees was dire, with one claiming, "We literally cannot do anything network-related, at a complete standstill. This is catastrophic to the business." The ripple effects extended directly to retailers. Take Morton & Williams, a grocery store chain in New York City. Their director of sales, Steve Schwartz, painted a grim picture, stating that the attack was bringing the company to a standstill with no orders generated and no orders coming in. He noted that their 20 stores rely on UNFI for critical frozen and dairy items, including popular brands like Stonyfield yogurts, San Pellegrino, and LaCroix sparkling waters. Smaller businesses, particularly bakeries, also felt the squeeze, with one lamenting being out of components to make the cakes and tarts and anticipating empty cases and zero cake sales for the day. On the financial front, the market reacted sharply, with UNFI's shares experiencing a significant drop of at least 8.6%, and some reports even noting a decline of more than 9% in early trading. While UNFI has not yet disclosed the precise nature of the attack or if any data was stolen, the proactive shutdown of IT systems has led to speculation that the company may be dealing with a ransomware attack, though no ransomware operation has claimed responsibility. In terms of their response, UNFI swiftly activated its incident response plan and brought in external cybersecurity professionals to investigate the breach. They've also been in contact with relevant law enforcement authorities, underscoring the severity of the situation. To mitigate the ongoing disruptions, UNFI has implemented workarounds to maintain customer service continuity and continue servicing its extensive customer base wherever possible. UNFI spokesperson Ines de Miranda emphasized that their customers, suppliers, and associates are our highest priority as they work to restore systems. Despite these efforts, employees anticipate a prolonged recovery, with one stating that even when systems begin to come back online, it will have to be done in phases, meaning it's going to be a while for things to be back on track fully. This incident, while significant, is unfortunately part of a broader concerning trend of cyber attacks targeting the food industry and the retail sector in recent years. UNFI is merely the latest entry in a growing list of companies that have been impacted. For instance, in March, Walmart-owned warehouse supermarket chain Sam's Club disclosed that it was investigating claims of a Clop ransomware breach. And who could forget the major attack on food giant JBS Foods, the world's largest beef producer, which was forced to pay an astounding $11 million ransom in 2021 after a Revel ransomware attack compelled them to shut down production across multiple sites worldwide. It's not just the food sector. The broader retail supply chain has been under siege. In the past months, threat actors linked to Scattered Spider and the Dragon Force ransomware operation have notably targeted retailers across the United Kingdom, including high-profile names like Harrods, Co-op, and Marks & Spencer, before shifting their attention to U.S. companies. Even other major entities like the social media platform X, the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency, and the car rental company Hertz have faced recent cyber incidents. And Victoria's Secret even had to delay its earnings release last week due to its own cyber attack. The economic ramifications of such attacks are multifaceted. Beyond the immediate financial hit to a company like UNFI, reflected in its stock price drop, these incidents introduce uncertainty into crucial supply chains. For consumers, this could translate to higher prices, or, as we're already seeing with Whole Foods, temporary shortages of certain products. For the broader economy, even under President Donald Trump's administration, which prioritizes economic stability and growth, persistent cyber threats pose a unique challenge. They disrupt the seamless flow of commerce, undermine business confidence, and necessitate significant investments in cybersecurity, which can impact profitability and resource allocation. It's a continuous battle to secure digital infrastructure, a battle that is essential for both national security and economic prosperity. As UNFI prepares to release its financial results for the fiscal 2025 third quarter this Tuesday, it'll be interesting to see how they address the financial impact of this unexpected and costly disruption. The UNFI cyber attack is a powerful illustration of how vital cybersecurity has become for every sector, especially those that are integral to our daily lives. It underscores the need for robust defense mechanisms, proactive incident response plans, and constant vigilance against an ever-evolving landscape of digital threats. For investors, it highlights the importance of understanding a company's cybersecurity posture as a key component of its overall risk profile. Businesses, large and small, must continue to invest in their digital defenses, knowing that the cost of prevention pales in comparison to the potential fallout from a successful breach. That's all for today's deep dive into the UNFI cyber attack and its broader implications. Thank you for tuning in to the Financial Podcast. Remember to stay informed and aware of the forces shaping our financial world. I'm Olivia, and I look forward to connecting with you again next time.